What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel in the Bitcoin YouTube short series where we show you how to predict the price action of Bitcoin and where it's going to go to before it's going to get there, generally speaking, with good accuracy. So in order to understand these videos, just make sure you go back, watch the previous YouTube short regarding Bitcoin that gets you caught up to where we're at now. So in the previous video, you guys will know once you've watched it that we talked about Bitcoin hitting the daily VWAP resistance box on the upside, and the more likely scenario is that it was then going to pull back down to the blue box on the downside. So what I wanted to do is make sure I made this video as that analysis and price prediction is coming true and coming to fruition. So at this point, we have completed, or pretty close to completing, the pullback on Bitcoin down to the daily support over under. So you can see this text on the bottom right there. That is in relation to this box here. So essentially, we expected Bitcoin can pull back down into that blue box. Now, if the Bitcoin market is going to, say, get supported and hold up and arguably trend up here, this blue box is where the market would need to get supported. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause this video and I'm going to change the time frame to something like a 1 minute, maybe a 5 minute. And as Bitcoin trades into the blue box, the upside and the downside. So you have kind of T1, T2 of this box. So we're going to label that real quick. So this would be up here, like T1, T1, and then the bottom side would be T2. So T1 would be like the upside of the box, and then T2 would be the downside. I don't know why that's tripping out. Not, there it goes, T2. Okay, perfect. And then T2 would be the low side of this box. So essentially what we can expect is Bitcoin's going to trade down into T1, which is pretty much already doing. Once it breaks T1, it goes to T2. So I'm going to try and show you that all in arguably real time and zoomed in on a smaller time frame. So I'm going to pause this video, kind of let it trade a little bit, and then come back. All right, so essentially we're on a 30-minute chart now. You can see the price is trading down into that T1, T2 box. So pretty much what you're going to expect now is that this little sell leg that we just saw, right? So this sell leg that's currently underway, it's going to start slowing down as it nears the T1, as it's kind of already doing. And if it breaks down T1, then it's going to go towards T2. But ultimately, as Bitcoin enters into this blue box, the selling pressure is most likely to slow here. You will see attempted bouncing, followed by potential higher low. So I'm going to draw what you're most likely going to see, and that's going to be this, which is going to be down towards T1, maybe in a